At first, when visiting the Setup website, you'll encounter the main dashboard page, which includes information for your personal manager's account, for example, the name of the properties and the account username. To create a resident account, first click on the Resident tab. Once the page is loaded, you can click on the New button, which will lead you to the page where you can insert information for a newly settled resident. At first, select the building name that the resident will have permission to access. Select the individual apartment number, which will automatically select member for the account type. Insert the resident personal details of first name, last name, email, country, mobile phone number, and etc. Once you have put down the needed details, press the Next button, and you will be led to the page where you can set up all the access requirements. First, set up the PIN number which is required to access our any devices. Then, insert the unique RF card number that the resident is going to use during the stay. And finally, create a Face ID, which will allow residents to access the building using facial recognition. After inserting all the information needed for building access, press the New button, and it will directly lead you to the page where you can subcategorize access group for better and easily understandable management. Create an access group name depending on how you like to manage the properties. For example, individual floor management, type in the floor level. And for individual building management, type in the building name or number, and so on. After creating the group name, go to Repeat section and select Daily for residential purpose. And create a start and end time of 24 hours so the resident has 24 hours access to the building. And now select the tick box next to Relay so that all the access information can be transferred to our any smart devices. Press the Submit button. You have created the access group successfully. To finalize everything, select the access group you just created. And press Submit. And now you have just completed the setup for a residential account. And for every time you like to check out the detailed information for any particular residential account, you can select the eyeball icon on the Account tab, and it will bring up all the information you needed for the individual account, which you also have permission to edit any information if needed at any time.